gonna decorate my small guest bathroom in as little time as possible using all the stuff that I just got from Big Lots because Big Lots came in for the win. They have a lot of sage green and gold and off-white items this year in their Christmas decor. And I just went there and I said I wasn't gonna buy anything new because I have things. I don't need to be buying stuff, but I really couldn't resist. I think this is gonna be a quick Christmas refresh to get that bathroom done, and then we'll be one room down and many more to come. But Vlogmas is coming up in December and I want to have everything decorated or to have some videos filmed so that I can show you some more decorating. And I thought this would be a cool, easy Christmas refresh using Big Lots Christmas items. Let me show you what I bought first, and then I'll show you my bathroom and we'll do a before and after. I got this cushion mat for $12.99. It's very pretty. This is one of those anti-fatigue mats. It's very mushy. I love these. I have them in my kitchen. And this is more than likely a kitchen mat. But this year, I'm going to use it in the bathroom in front of the shower. I think it'll be easy to clean. Maybe not so, soft and fuzzy for your toes. But I do think hardly anybody takes a shower in that bathroom, so I am thinking it will be easier to clean and very, very pretty. This was what inspired it. I was gonna buy one on Amazon for that bathroom, and I found this one at Big Lots. This is the deer design. It comes with everything you need. It's got the shower curtain and the little shower curtain decorative hooks and these were $10.99 for both. The one I saw on Amazon didn't come with the hooks and it was $20, so I'm hoping this is going to be great. I do have a lot more deer decor that I can add in there, and it matches this mat very well. I found this rug, which I'll probably put in front of the sink, and it is a green rug and it has gold with glitter in it. This is part of their glitz and glam collection, and it was $11.99, so I'm probably going to put this in front of the sink. We'll see how that goes. I found this so pretty. This was $7.99, and this is the soap dispenser. Now I'm going to tell you, you guys might not like Big Lots, but last year I went to Kirkland's, which is considerably more expensive, and I bought a few Christmas items, and then I went to Big Lots and I found the same, almost identical same items for probably $10 cheaper. So if you've seen these at other places, you see that they are more than $7. So check out Big Lots if they still have these. They also had one that was glass. This one is ceramic and it has glitter all over it. So I might regret that later, but very cute, and it matches the rest of the theme. I picked up this picture, which basically is just a gold Farm Fresh Christmas trees metal with wood frame. This was $14. I've seen these before. They come in different colors, and I've seen them at Walmart. Big Lots had a couple more in different colors. I really like this gold one. Now, I've got a lot of gold in my house, so this may not go in the bathroom. If I don't find a place for it in there, I may put it in my living room, but it does match the items very well. So do a quick refresh Christmas decorating with Big Lots items in my small bathroom. Easy on myself. I think I'm just going to take this whole thing down and just fold it up, and then I can put it back up after the holiday season. And I think I am just going to not take this off, but I'm just going to put up the new shower curtain and then just get another one of these because they're only like $3, and put it up so that I don't have to take this down. It's not that big a deal. I don't know. We'll see. I might change my mind. I don't like it like I thought I would. This happens every time I do something. I like the shower curtain. It's really pretty. It matches really well. I don't like these rugs. These rugs don't match. I'm gonna have to come up with something else. I like the rugs. I'm keeping this one for now, and I put this one back down. That's a glare because my floors are like black glass tile. The other thing I've done so far is put these little reindeer up here. I didn't put candles in there. I put these little balls. I might change that out. And then I have this little gold square glass cube that I put the potpourri in. So I added this garland, and I'm not sure if it's gonna work because I don't know if it's gonna end up pulling it together. So now I'm thinking about changing something over here and fixing these towels. And I probably need something for the back of the toilet. I did put this little soap dispenser over here for now. So I think I'm gonna hang this picture over here where these two pictures are. I wanted to use it in the living room, but I did buy it for in here. I think it's gonna go good with the gold of the hooks and the garland. So these towels really don't get used that much because I have another hand towel over here. And when company comes, we just kind of take them down or push them over, and then they can put their towel here. So just for decorative purposes, I thought about using this really pretty gold ribbon and putting it around this, but I need to get some scissors. I'm just gonna put one piece around the entire, both of these first to just kind of get it together, to cinch it as much as I want. And this is just the initial piece to cinch it together. Okay, so there's that piece, and then I can flip it around if I want. And then I'm gonna make a bow to go right here. So to make a really simple bowl, which you probably already know, I just kind of loop these together, and then I flip it this way, loop these together, flip it back. I bought this at Hobby Lobby one year, and it was like light green. And so I kind of painted it this coppery color. I don't know if you can tell by the light. And then I put glitter on it. The base is still white. I was gonna use it in my living room, but I think it's gonna look good over here on the toilet. I don't wanna put a lot of stuff on the toilet because it's just too hard to take it off and clean. So I think I'm going to just set this over here and possibly put some greenery on it. I found this little vine I had. It had red berries in it, and I pulled all the red berries out. So I think I'm just gonna see if I can make just like a little wreath for this thing to sit in the center of. I think that'll be good because it's not a lot of greenery. I can take the whole thing off really easily when I get ready to clean. Probably not going to put anything else on this shelf. And I think that's pretty much done. I don't know that I'm going to put anything else over here. Probably nothing over the light area. This towel everyone uses, so I probably won't put any kind of ribbon on it. I do have my soap dispenser, which I'll put over here when I fill it up. And then I have this little wreath here. I've got plenty of space. I could put more stuff. But this bathroom, when the girls are home for Christmas, it gets a lot of use. And I really don't want to have a whole bunch of stuff that I'm going to have to clean, or it gets very steamy in here. So I'm thinking I think this is not bad. For a start, I don't think this is bad at all. So that's it. That's all I'm going to do to that half bath. Now, I say that and then I might tweak it a little bit. There may be a few things that I put in there, but I really wanted to keep it simple this year. Just add a few things, not a whole lot of stuff that I had to clean around and had to move. I didn't want the whole place to be full of glitter because honestly, it's probably going to have a little glitter in there because I put a few things in there that had glitter on it and it gets everywhere. So I want to keep it easy and simple. Most of the things came from Big Lots and I just added some things that I already had, repainted some things, and made it very festive. Maybe not very, but I made it festive, and I didn't spend a lot of money, and that's been my goal this year. Every year I say I'm not going to buy anything new, and then I go and buy something, and I really want to try to keep it simple this year, try to reuse the things that I have, and try to invent new ways to use them and really start liking what I have and enjoying it before I just chuck it and get new stuff every year. That's just crazy. I don't have the money to be doing that. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. It's a short one. Just wanted to start this decorating season before Vlogmas. I am going to be making videos hopefully every day in December for Vlogmas, so I hope you'll come back. I don't know what's going to be in those videos, but we will find something fun to do. I wanted to get this started. This is not a lot of reselling content today. It's basically me redoing my bathroom and decorating it for Christmas. I do have a few orders to go out today. If that is something that you are more interested in, I do have several videos you can find on my YouTube that are more related to just reselling. But it is the holiday season and I do want to do some of these decorating videos. So hopefully I can get this done and we can do like maybe a miniature house tour of Christmas decor. I don't know, whatever might be fun. As you might be able to see, I've got a big mess back here because the next thing I'm tackling is this mantle. So hopefully I will have another video coming out soon that will be showcasing whatever I do for this mantle. I hope you're having fun decorating this year. If you're not, keeping it low key, hey, whatever is you, whatever keeps you happy, whatever keeps you sane this holiday season, I say do it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for coming and spending some time with me. I always appreciate you. Please don't forget to subscribe on your way out, and I will see you in the next video.